Smart Fortwo 451. Today we are going to be replacing the blend door, which is right here on the 451 Fortwo. Basically what that is going to do is when you hit the recycle button, it is going to change a flap in your aircon system that is going to either give you fresh air or recycle the air that is currently inside your vehicle. Here's the original factory part number A451A290001. Let's get this started. Should be pretty simple. As you can see, there's only a few tabs where it mounts, and under here it is quite easy to access. You just have little Torx screws here, and there's a couple of them, a little electrical connector, and that's it. So first things first, let's get the tools. So the tool you're going to need here is going to be a T20. You have 3 screws. Let's see if I can show you. You have the 1, 2, and then you have the third one right there. It's going to be right back here. So take these 3 out, the 3 T20 screws. It's quite simple. Do the 1, you got number 2, and then we have the third one right there. That's what your 3 T20s look like right there. Next thing we're going to do is just gently pull it out, and as you can see, the blend door right there just pulls out. There's your mechanism. We have our simple connector right there. You just push in the tab and slide the, kind of difficult with one hand, you push this in and obviously just disconnect it. And there we are. We got the mechanism right here. It's an old Bear part. Here's our new one. And here's our brand new unit. As you can see, they are virtually identical aside from the revision number. This one's 843, new one's 819. So if I were to be a guessing man, I would assume that this was actually manufactured before the one I have in my car, because my car is a 2015. This is probably a 2013 or so, but it's still brand new, so it doesn't matter. It's a brand new part. We're gonna do the same thing as you saw how it came out. Very simple orientation. You saw how it came out pretty easily. You got the arm here, then you have the gears, little teeth where it's gonna sit. And on here, you'll see a flat spot. You'll see a star with a flat on the bottom. You simply install it with a flat on the bottom. But if you're not sure, you can literally just place it on here and gently wiggle it until it finds that flat spot like that. As you can see, it just sets right into place. I'm gonna mount the 3 screws, and then I'm gonna plug it in and go from there. And that's my 3rd screw right there. Tight. You don't want to go too tight because you will strip the plastic screw threads. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and just plug in the connector itself until it clicks. There we go. That's good. And now, since that's been done, I'm going to go ahead and test it here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on low speed just so you can hear it changing here. You can hear the audio style change because the air is moving through a different passage. Just go back. And there you go. No clicking. Basically, how you know that your blend door is bad is when you have the air blasting on 4 on high. And when you switch it between recycled air and fresh air, you'll hear go click, 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 click. It means it's having some issues inside the motor itself, and that's when you know to replace it. And that's it. It's all done. Everything's been replaced. Here's the old one. I'm going to recycle it. Again, the new part. I believe I got it on eBay from a reseller called Parts Rus, R-U-S, and they are out of Florida in the United States, if you don't know what Florida is. Anyways, they're out of the US and Florida, and I believe it was $72 for a factory original part. I've bought them from them before, and I've compared it to OE parts from my local Mercedes dealer, and they are legitimate. As you can see, their parts are simply out of Europe or Germany. That looks like German to me. Yeah, Gleichstormentop. Anyways, that's it. That's how you replace it. I hope you learned something today, and have a nice day.